Assalamualaikum, welcome back to Vlogan. Alright, so in this video, I will give you a tutorial of my makeup. So this is the result of my makeup today. And yeah, this video will be full of English because I want to practice my English. But don't worry guys, I will put the subtitle here. So I hope you enjoy the video. Let's start! So this is my bare face. So I want to start with my skincare daily routine. So these are the products that I use lately. The first thing, I will use my sunscreen first. So we'll just start with the sunscreen because my skin is very dry. By the way, I'm sorry for my English if it sounds weird because so many times I'm not practice with people, a person, so I just want to try. Okay, sunscreen is done. By the way, I also use this Japanese sheet mask, and I also doing the facial every month. I use Garnier micellar water, the blue one. I use this for exfoliating, and I use this just in case I feel my skin so dry. So basically, I don't use many skincare product for daily. Okay, let's go back to the makeup. After letting the skin prep is dry, move to the primer. I'm sorry I look down there because my makeup, my things are there. So I'm using the MOP Anti-Cakey Lock and Smooth Primer. I'm not usually using this, but I will show for you guys. Okay, we make it dry, the primer. Actually, I have two options. I want to use foundation or cushion, but in this time I will use foundation. This Wardah foundation and this Wardah cushion. The color fit, I use the 21C and this one natural number 1. I will use this, and this product is really good guys, and I usually just use like this. Use this beauty blender. I make a mistakes. This that I'm not used to. You know guys, I have a few scars, acne scars, and I forget to use the color corrector. It's okay, mistakes are happen. But this is the Esca color corrector that I just buy a few weeks ago. It's shade peach. I just put here, tap, and put on my scars. You see guys, it's peach. Before I buy this product, I used to cover my acne scars with foundation and blush on. We make it dry first, the color corrector. And if you use setting spray, then you can use setting spray for the foundation. Let's finish the color corrector. We start with the foundation. Yeah, I use here again because this was a mistake. The beauty blender. You still can see my acne, but not that bold, right? And usually I'm not use much product in my forehead because it's more dry than my cheeks. But because right now I'm using the color corrector, so I need to put some foundation in here so it can cover the color corrector. And for the nose, I'm use just the product left here. And for the eyes, we just use here, so it's not will be so thick. I hope you can see the texture. The texture, it's normal, guys. Let's move to the contour. This color I use from Madame Z. I'm using maybe Twilight, this shade of Twilight. I use this. Okay, in here, just a little bit, and we blend it to the eyebrow. Use my hand. Okay. So next is the eyebrow. I will use this pencil from Implora because I already have a thick eyebrow, so I just will fill inside here, and just make a line in here. Looks so thick. Okay. Now we move to the eye makeup. I have BLP eyeshadow, but I lost one of the color. It was broke. Later I used this travel size brush from Sociala. So we take this color. So it makes for all area. Okay, and we take another, and we use more, so it makes more dark in the corner of my eye. In here, and we blend from here. Okay, it's give a gradation. No, gradation. This is all the glitter, and go to the front. I'm not used to eyeliner actually, but I have this stamp eyeliner, and I just really use because most of the time I want to try use the eyeliner, it's always be messy. See? Is it good? And the other side, they have this one. Feel this. This more long. This is not. Okay. This better, isn't it? It's always different. Don't you surprise? And I'm not used the mascara. Using. Just use this one time, and let's see. Can I use this again now? We use this. So this one line is for one eye. So I used this before. Use the fake lashes. You need to put this under your real eyelash. The left eye it's finished, so we will finish the other one. So this is the eyelash. After this we will use the blush on. Britney shade 1 Love. I usually use not much blush on, but lately I like full of cheek with blush on. After this, we will use the powder. So I just put in a view area. This one is must because this one have more oil. Alright, we go back with this Madame G. They have this for contour, also a glitter here. So I will use in the center of my nose, here, here, and here. So just make the effect of fresh. Also here, here, it's better, right? If you wonder, guys, I'm also use the mascara from Bliss. It is really good, guys, than others. And these three of my lips product. The first is lip cream from Hanasui. It's salted caramel for the base. And this one from Bliss, I use shade 4 and put in here. Just a little tap. And the last touch is Wardah Glass Thing. By the way, guys, this is already not have any color, so I just use the glossy from this product. But if you buy this new, don't use as a glossy one because they really thick. And you just can use this only without any other product. If you want to know my old product, maybe a view product that I'm not mentioned in this video, I will write it down on the description box. And I want to use this. Okay, I did change my hijab and we'll use this. Just use over your head, just like you use it usually. And this short one, this the long one. The long one we take all over our hat to cover this to cover this. Is this enough? Okay, this is already the center of your face, and put the pin here. Okay, you take all here. Alright, so this is the final look of my makeup today. I hope you enjoyed the video and the tutorial. Don't forget to like and subscribe and leave your comment what should I do in the next video. Bye bye.